In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Canva Pro free trial, Canva 30-day free trial. By the end, you'll have Canva Pro activated for a full month so you can explore premium templates, brand tools, and advanced editing features at no cost. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to canva.com. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. The trial works smoothly on desktop, but you can follow along on mobile if you prefer. If you're new to Canva, create a free account using the sign up options on the home page. If you already have an account, simply log in. Either way, you need to be signed in so the trial can be tied to your profile and your designs. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner for prompts like Try Pro, Start Your Free Trial, or similar wording. These banners can move around, so if you don't see one immediately, scroll a bit or open the plan's pricing page from the main navigation. The offer you want is the 30-day Canva Pro trial. On the plan's pricing page, select Canva Pro. You should see a button that says Try it free for 30 days. Click that to begin setting up your trial. If you don't see the 30-day language, it could be a regional variation or a temporary promotion, so check that the offer states a full month of free access before continuing. Next, choose how you want to be billed after the trial ends, monthly or yearly. This choice doesn't affect your free month, it only determines what happens if you decide to keep Pro afterward. Yearly plans often show a lower cost per month, while monthly plans offer more flexibility. Pick whichever aligns with how you plan to use Canva. You'll now be asked for payment details. Enter a valid credit card or connect PayPal. You won't be charged today. This information simply ensures your subscription can continue if you keep Pro after the trial. Double-check the currency and billing summary so there are no surprises later. Finally, review the terms, confirm your selection, and click to start your trial. You should see a confirmation message and access to Pro features right away. Look for the Pro indicators on templates and tools like the background remover, brand kit, and premium elements to get the most out of your month. That's it. Thanks for watching.